और डियर स्टूडेंट्स 11th केमिस्ट्री रात पूरा postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases आज परना अजुक टॉपिक दैट इज derivation of kinetic gas equation derivation of kinetic gas equation अम खतर क्या करो बनाओ गोड क्यूब क्या बनाओ बनाओ डायग्राम UT नमो cubic vessel this is your cubic vessel mu momentum of the gas molecule. Consider n molecules of gas. How many molecules? N molecules of gas enclosed in this cubic vessel. Enclosed in this cubic vessel or this container. Since we know that the gas molecules are not in stationary, they are in motion. They collide with themselves as well as the walls of the container, walls of this vessel. With the result, the force is developed. Let the since they are moving with the force, so there is momentum. Momentum is equal to mass into acceleration, mass into velocity, or mass into speed. Let this strike in the face A with momentum mass in m into u. Consider since the collisions are perfectly elastic, there is no change, there is no loss and gain of energy. So momentum of the molecule striking the face mu, momentum after coming back is equal to minus mu. Change in momentum, final momentum minus initial momentum. So go minus mu goes minus twice mu. But since the momentum cannot be negative, so we will change it into positive. Taking positive to be the being the change in momentum. Now we know that force is equal to change in momentum but time taken. So force is equal to twice mu bata t, twice mu code is engine. It is clear that only molecules of the box will hit the face A. Since this is the closed container, closed vessel, closed cubic vessel, there are gas molecules inside in this, so only these molecules will take part in collisions, not the outside molecules. Let them hit the face A. If UT is the length of each face, if UT is the length of the each face, if UT is the length of the each face, distance traveled by the molecule in time t is n by v, that is number of molecules per unit volume, number of molecules per unit volume. N is number of molecules, v is the volume. Shabash beta. Impact molecules which are in space that hit face A. So that is n by v into A into ut. Number of molecules per unit volume in the A is the face A, and ut is the distance of the sides. Now force acting on the face due to impact of these molecules is equal to twice mu into t divided into n by v into A into u. Twice mu क्या goes? Suppose change momentum but a time. So go twice n but a v into m u into u go u square, m u square into a but a v. Shabash. Since there are 6 faces, so f is equal to 1 by 6 into 2 into u goes the same n but v m u square into a. So go this kasar senior. So go 1 by 3 into n but a u m u square into a. n by v is value is the volume. Now we know that pressure is equal to force per unit area. Pressure is equal to force but area. So pressure force लगे तो ये. So 1 by 3 n u n by v and v u square बटा इससे goes 1 by 3 v n m u a बटा a. ठीक है. So ये क्या ये मच्छे नहीं किया है. ये v ये go 1 by 3 v ये तो a goes cancel. m n u square और बात करता है multiply cross है. So PV is equal to 3 m n u square, where m is the mass, n is the number of molecules, and u is the speed of the molecules. P is the pressure, V is the volume of this cubic vessel, and this is the ideal kinetic gas equation. ठीक है. बे एक फिर करो ये रिपीट बड़ा अहम क्वेश्चन है अस नमो अ क्यूबिक वेसल तथ मज करो नमो फर्ज कीजिए n मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ गैस तथ मज अत बॉक्स मज इमेजरी बॉक्स वनो या क्यूबिक वेसल क्योंकि गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स स्टेशन ट्रैवल कर विद स्पीड v ठीक है मोमेंटम क्या गो तेल मास वेला सह गो mu ठीक ये पे वापस नीर तुम नीर अमी मोमेंट साथ तिज चेंज ग कहीं मगर -mu पर चेंज मोमेंटम कोता गो माइनस फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल सह गो -2 mu बट मोमेंटम कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव सो इट इज 2 mu time taken to bring the change in momentum. Now force is equal to change in momentum बटा time. Change in momentum is equal to 2 mu बटा t. शाबाश आना द्रा ऐसी रिजल्ट है ये change in force is equal to 2 mu बटा t. It is clear that only the molecules of the gas inside the vessel will take part in collisions. So the momentum will be only due to these molecules which are inside the vessel. If ut is the length of each phase, distance traveled by the molecule in time t is n by v, that is number of molecules per unit volume. Molecules which are in space that hit phase A is equal to n bata v, number of molecules per unit volume into A phase into ut. U is speed, t go time. Now force acting on the molecule due to impact of these molecules, so 2 mu is momentum, change in moment, 2 mu bata t into n by v into A into ut. So 2 n by v mu square A, u into u go u square. So chunki force is equal to 1 by 6, को 6 pieces into 2 n by v, so 2 2 6, so 1 by 3 n v mu square bata A. So pressure is equal to force bata area, so 1 by 3 v. P is बाकी same, so P into v go P 1 by 3 mu square. This is your ideal gas equation. मगलिया आज ऐसी क्वेश्चन है तो यम रात पे पास्टलेट्स ब्या रिकैप करो तो पास्टलेट्स क्या पर रात काइनेटिक गैस थ्योरी एवरी गैस कंसिस्ट ऑफ a large number of molecules which are in constant motion and they collide with themselves as well as walls of the container. Volume occupied by the gas molecule is negligible as compared to the total volume of the gas. ठीक है ना ये पूरे रात molecules in a gas are in state of constant motion, random motion, with the result they follow a zigzag path. ठीक है बेटा, the collisions among the gas molecules are perfectly elastic. There is no loss and gain of energy. Molecules in a gas do not interact with one another, which means that they do not have mutual force of attraction or repulsion. Very important point. The pressure of the gas is due to hits recorded by the gas molecules on the walls of the container per unit area. The average kinetic energy of the gas molecule is directly proportional to the Kelvin temperature. यानी temperature अगर इस gas करो increase, gas molecule kinetic increase, तो collision increase. That is why we say that kinetic energy is directly proportional to Kelvin temperature. ठीक है बेटा, तो तम पे गई इक्वेशन PV is equal to 1/3 mn यू डिराइव कर बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिविएशन ऑफ गैसेस फ्रॉम आइडियल बिहेवियर तम पे लिक्विफेक्शन ऑफ गैसेस पे सरफेस टेंशन तो बे विस्कोसिटी लास्ट क्वेश्चन.